Guys, welcome back to Wrasslin Kingdom YouTube page. Today we got an unboxing. I'm Franco.
I'm Nick H. I'm Ty-Fi.
And today we got an unboxing for you. That Wrasslin Club November box. Oh, you can see right there. I didn't see. And then Nick has a Funko mystery box from Black Friday.
GameStop.
We'll wrap that one first. Me and Ty-Fi bought a few of them and like four boxes?
5 total, I think, because we bought 3 from one and 2 from the. Oh yeah, no, 4. It was 4.
And she has them right here. We opened. We're gonna do a video, but
I got impatient. I opened them.
We'll show you the 4 we got. Angela from Gargoyles. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Got. I forgot this guy's name. Mega Volt from Darkwing Duck.
Big Volt. My favorite.
Then we got the one that I wanted, Max from the Goof Trip. And our final one was a Chase from Tailspin Wildcat. Got 4, we got 1 Chase. You know, those are good odds. I wanted this one, or this one's a Chase, but you know, I'll settle. Those are those 4 that we got. And sorry.
Hey, whoa. I'll do it right here for you.
No,
what the hell? What are you promoting here?
Oh, you got everything you didn't have to open up, honestly.
We'll save that for later. It's a shark, by the way.
It's a shark one.
No, turn it the other way. It's okay.
There we go.
Oh.
What's it gonna be?
We get a double of that.
Oh yeah, we got some pezzes as well.
Oh yeah, we didn't even show off the pez.
Frankenberry.
We got 2 blueberries.
Look at that. They look so cute.
Those are the 3 I wanted, the 3 OGs.
3 of the OG great.
Probably some of the extra blueberry or give it to someone if they want it.
You can do it with their little with the Ric Flair.
What is it? Show the audience first. Show yourself.
Okay.
Here you saw what it was.
I didn't see what it was.
What is it? Is it a Chase?
You can't see it. It is a Chase, actually. It's
Monterey Jack. Wow, you only got 1. You got a Chase. That's some good shit.
Yes.
Way to go.
What it was? You got a little Jerry right here. For pretty much all these boxes, they'll come with either a Tom or a Jerry.
We got 3 Toms and 1 Jerry.
Yeah.
It's our dog's new shoe toy. All 3 of them. All 4.
We got a little Jerry. Maybe I have to go search out for a Tom.
No, I have an extra Tom.
We have an extra one if you want some.
Got some stars. We got some stars you can put on the wall or the ceiling.
Whenever you're like 10.
Glow. This is good decorations for the place. The Pez, we got
another blueberry.
Why does it look high for?
He's a
I'll put him right there. Of course, this pen comes out. All the boxes have that. It's Goofy with the Max from Goof Troop.
And then it's the Chase. It's a little damaged.
Well, the Chase, but it's damaged. The disrespect stuff.
How could they disrespect Monterey Jack?
Oh, the Chase is him being all high.
He's on drugs. That's the
He's
theme.
on his cheese. Because he cheesing.
Alright, let's get right into that Wrasslin Club box.
Where's your knife?
My little pocket knife.
Sharp knife.
Got from Realmscount.
There you go.
That's all we had for. Could have done that before, but you know, whatever. I show up knife, no really a chance. Alright. Count 3.
1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Alright, that's what y'all got.
What is that?
What is it that we got?
Alright.
I don't know.
I'm just gonna pick randomly from up here. Okay.
Okay, so you go after
Okay, first thing is the big item. Funko Pops, the Hardy Bowls. It's a nice Hardy Boys.
Alright, who's next?
You go next.
I grab the shirt.
Come on.
You usually get the shirt.
I get the shirt.
This is my moment. No.
It is Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that is nice.
I never wore that type of color though.
Yeah, nice. Yellow's, you know.
Nice shirt.
It's like piss yellow.
Alright, you're next.
I usually go for the pin, so I'm gonna go for something else this time around. Look at that.
It's a double auto. Hillbilly Jim.
Hillbilly.
And
that's a nice picture of Ric Flair. This is an extra Ric Flair in my collection, so I will be doing a giveaway. Follow our Facebook for that if you want the Ric Flair. Hillbilly Jim's mine. So the Ric Flair could be
But the Ric Flair could
Follow our Facebook page, Wrasslin Kingdom. Yeah, we'll be doing a giveaway. It'll be for 1 week. I guess I'll get that. There's something else.
Yeah, there is. There's one more.
What's the pin?
Oh.
Survivor Series.
Survivor Series.
New pin for the jacket. The old school logo. That's nice. That was very nice.
Let me take a look at that. Nice.
That's dope. And the list of November. Oh my god, that's in the box. It says the exclusive Ricky Steamboat shirt, Ric Flair autograph, Hillbilly Jim autograph, the Hardy Boys Funko Pop 2-pack, and the Survivor Series pin. I always like their pins. Their pins are always badass.
Yeah.
A little bonus. Got that Red Ranger cereal from, well, it's GameStop. Normally it's supposed to be Decon, which their box is kind of more better looking. But yeah, I saw it at GameStop.
Yeah, we're about to unbox right here for you right now.
No.
He's like, no.
But anyways, a huge shout out to at The Journal for getting this stuff for me. This cereal box, this GameStop mystery box.
Damn.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And like I said, we'll be doing a raffle for this. It'll be for 1 week. Follow the Facebook page for the official rules. Next Tuesday before SmackDown again, we'll be doing Facebook Live. Facebook is Wrasslin Kingdom. Our Instagram, if you want to follow that too, is Wrasslin Kingdom Collectibles. And Twitter is Wrasslin King DM. But everybody likes Ric Flair. Woo! Woo! And that is pretty much it. So we'll see y'all guys tomorrow in the next video for Wrasslin Tacos Podcast. Bye.